this video is going to be the part 2 of my Kochi trip video. We are in Binale. Soap B Magic. Book print Bandhana, hand printed in Rajasthan using traditional wood.
See, this is the book diary. So if somebody is going out to draw art or something, they can keep their painting brush here, their pencil, everything here.
And they can sketch me.
Yes, everything will be in a bag, so they can keep it safe.
ये सब इतना प्राइजी है, लेकिन पता नहीं क्यों. These are earrings. These are what? I also don't know, but come here, nobody is here. We summarized this one and they said it's about presence of childhood imagination and something I forgot. Like it's like you have to read this thing, then you have to enter inside. Then only you will understand what all things are there inside. You will like relate it. These things only I can identify from thy place. And nothing else. Like guys, this one I have seen in my history book in 7th class. What is this? मुझे कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है ये. I'm not understanding anything. Everything is bouncing from my head or above my head. But still, देख के खुश हो जाते. Like I'm not understanding thing, but I'm enjoying the thing. That's it. See, this is this cottage. He looks handsome, see. Oh my god. सब देख के तो सेंसरशिप लग जाएगा bro. And I'm looking good after applying lipstick. Guys, completely tired, but still we are tired, but still we are
Going to the next
cottage and we are exploring places. Shittumani! Shittumani! Destination. This. These people left me somewhere and these people were roaming and her phone is inside my bag. Okay, and his number, I even went to Instagram to your, then I sent him request and message also, where are you? I was sitting like, I was looking
now
at him.
we will be stitch like go away. We'll go like this only.
This is art exhibition, guys. These all are the tools that before also people were using, now also people are using. मैं इतना ज़्यादा इंग्लिश क्यों बोल रही हूँ मुझे पता नहीं. आई शुड मेक अ ब्लॉग इन हिंदी, लेकिन मैं इंग्लिश बोल रही हूँ यहाँ पे आने के बाद. मुझे नहीं बोलना ही. तेरे साथ यू लेफ्ट मी एंड यू वेंट. ये इसका मुंडी कहाँ गया? दिस इज स्लीपर्स. These are slippers. How they were walking with these heavy slippers? Huh? How?
No, they just created it with clay.
And what is this? This is what? That insecticides some plants in biology, in class 9th biology. We had this. This Jatra Pati's costume. Jatra Pati's costume. It is written in Bengali. Now we are going to book a ticket for Vapsi. What was the price of the boat?
Show me the ticket. It was 6 per person. That is total of 18.
Like in 6 with 6 rupees we can travel. But हाँ, और सब कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव है. खाना, लाइक प्रोडक्ट्स वगैरह जो भी आप खरीदना चाहते हैं यहाँ से, those are very, those are too expensive. ट्रैवलिंग का इतना नहीं है. लाइक वी कैन ट्रैवल इन बोट, यू कैन ट्रैवल इन मेट्रो, यू कैन ट्रैवल इन you can travel in bus also won't take too much,
but the cost friendly one is this
boat. But I won't puke, right?
Huh?
I won't feel nauseous.
No, it will be closed.
He got really tired, but I am also tired, but not that much, because जब घूमने की बारी आ जाती है तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एक्टिव हो जाती हूँ. But this is like 7 rupees bro per person and we can experience the boat ride.
Here we paid 50 per person for the water metro and this is having. So usually people who working in Fort Kochi will be taking this regularly. They have some. See Fort Kochi tour now. You can show this also.
Are we going to Ernakulam? In Ernakulam Broadway is there?
10 or 15 minutes walk from Marine.
So बोट आएगा, हम लोग वहाँ पे बैठेंगे और आपको दिखा देंगे कैसा है. This time also we didn't get seat. We are standing and going. This is the inside view of boat. That took 6 rupees. Finally we got a seat in the first stop. We got a seat finally. We'll drink some tea because we all are tired and Nivin is going to sleep. Because yesterday he didn't. Today we called and whole day he was with us. He is feeling like if now here only we'll put one mat, then he will sleep. So we 3 are so sleepy cat. So we'll drink some chai or we'll drink chai and we'll eat something, then we will go. Hey guys, this one. He finished drinking his tea. Mine is coffee. Her is tea and this. What is this? This is so hard. Then this one is cutlet and Devin is drinking his chai.
I saw something there. There. See.
Okay, let's see.
Something.
AM kind of is there. Oh, nice. What is this?
I don't know actually. We saw Mudiyetta. It was so good.
I have zoomed the video. You people see the makeup, like that white color
They were
beads.
quarreling, I guess. I don't know what the story, but yeah, something was happening.
We came in the middle, so that's why we couldn't understand properly. But I think they killed 4 god were there, as we asked one
They
uncle.
took 2 masks from the other 2, and the 2 were actually quarreling till the end. And I guess one got won the
Killed.
battle.
Ah, by killing.
Yes, I guess. I'm not sure, but yes, something like that happened. Anyway,
You say
it is
something about
Mudiyetta.
Teyyam. You're Malayalina, say something.
Guys, I'm not from Malabar area, so I'm not familiar with Teyyam. This is my first time seeing Mudiyetta. So we will check thoroughly and let you guys know what Teyyam is. Teyyam is actually something, a person taking rhythm and all and turning into a god, and she'll be performing something. But I'm not sure what it is actually. She will study it and let you know.
No, Meenakshi has studied about this. Her drama project was that, so she will explain nicely. And the thing is, we are happy we came to, like, it was not planned, but still somehow
Happening
In the mix.
21 and 22.
In the mix.
we came to. Actually, we were talking about something. Okay, so we reached metro, guys. From here, we are going to SN Junction. Then from there, we will figure out what we will do. I don't know. This is Ernakulam metro. You might have seen, you might have seen in my previous blog. This is Maharaja metro in Ernakulam. So clean and tidy. So happy because the thing, like, we didn't plan for all those cultural program, but somehow it was there, like we could see that thing, so that's why we are so happy.
There is platform. This is platform 1.
Plants, so nice. Plants also they have kept.
See,
What is this?
Pulkud.
Pulkud means?
Script.
Oh, but where is the
They'll only be kept at 22 or 23, I guess.
okay, to walk? We are so tired to go through that step, so we'll take lift.
It's not coming.
tired.
much tired.
Too much tired. So guys, finally we came back to our home. Home room. Are we
Room
staying in
home.
and we
Yeah.
changed address. We had dinner.
Yes.
Uncle had cooked a nice biryani and rice, chicken, and nothing else. That much only. Rice and chicken we ate.
Yes. And
So,
now we'll be going
now
to
we
sleep.
are so tired. So tired. So we will be sleeping now.
Yes.
So thank
Ah,
you
is
so
it not
much for
even
watching.
opening?
She is going to upload, like she will be uploading long blog and also shorts, so you can go and see in her channel also. So thank you for watching. Thank you for tolerating us in the blog.
Such a long vlog it was.
Thank you so much. But I hope you people might have enjoyed it. I know you might have like I know you will enjoy it.
Yes, that's why you are here.
Yeah, that's why at least you're listening to this. Okay, so that's all for today's blog. Thank you for
So you're
watching.
winding up Deepthi and Teresa from Deepthi's channel. Bye.
Bye.